Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Banggood tool review. This one's not so much a tool, it's a measuring device. It's a linear scale with a digital readout. Before I get started, I want to make one or two things perfectly clear. I don't work for Banggood. I'm not getting paid to do this video. The only payment I get is to keep the item or the article after I've reviewed it, which I'll either use or give away. This one I'm going to use on my live. That being said, there will be a link in the description box if you buy one of these or you buy any item from Banggood using my link. I do get a very small amount of commission. I can't retire on it, but it'll help us buy more bits and pieces to make better, longer, more interesting videos. That's enough talk. Let's have a look at it and see exactly what we've got. Naturally, I've opened the box. There's a set of sort of instructions there. They're in full Chinese, but there is some English writing here which gives you the resolution of it, how accurate it should be. We'll have a look at it a little bit later. You also get a box of fittings, various bits and pieces, enough to get you started, but I mean if you're going to fit one of these you can probably make brackets yourself. You do get two batteries in CR2032, really popular battery, very inexpensive. Now for the scale itself. This is a lot longer than the one I put on the milling machine. It's actually too long for what I need, so I'm just going to cut it. They just sent us this length, that's the one they sent us. With quite a length of decent wire between the reed head and obviously the display unit. The display's got magnets on the back so you could stick it onto a metal cabinet if you wanted to. There's also a proper little fastener that clips into it and you can screw that on. That's the one I've actually used. I'm going to put some batteries in, power it up just to make sure it does work. Back simply pops off like that. The two batteries out. I hate these sort of bubble wrap things, are an absolute nightmare to get into. There must be an easy way, but honestly I don't seem to know what it is. They go into there and then the back slides on, clips into place. Like that. Right. On and off. They might turn themselves off now, I don't know, they might have changed them. Got inches, millimeters, got a 0, a set, and then the abs. Normally work on metric now. Right, so as I move the scale up and down through the reed head, you can see it's working properly. It's very, very smooth. I've mounted this scale on my milling machine. I've put the reed head in the vise. I've got a little bolt in there so I can check the accuracy of this scale against the DRO. Right, so for 0, both of these are both set on metric. Let's start with 20. And that's given 19.92, which is really close. We'll go up to 50. .93, very close indeed. Of course it will go negative numbers as well. We go negative 10, see. 99.8 or 9.98. It's certainly well within the accuracy that I need to work on in my shop. This is the one I did 4 or 5 years ago, mounted on my mill machine. It's still working fine. That's a display there. I'll turn it on, bring the camera in, so you can have a closer look at it. That's showing it in imperial. So you press a button, go to metric. You can zero it anywhere you want. So you can zero at the bottom of a hole and you drill each hole down to 0. Works great. Only one issue with it, it doesn't turn itself off, the batteries go flat. The batteries are cheap, but that's one annoying little feature, it just won't turn off. I'm sure you'll agree, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It's really well built, it's very, very accurate, more than accurate enough for the guy that's messing about in his garage like me. I am going to mount it on my lathe on the tailstock, and I will be going to do a video on my YouTube channel showing that. Don't forget, there is a link in the description box. If you click on the link and buy one of these or buy anything, I do get a little bit of commission. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Anyway, thanks for watching.